Hi, I'm Dr.Sirisha and a warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this video, we'll try to understand what the managers can really do to increase the employee motivation in the workplace. Okay, because as managers, that is the biggest challenge for them to keep their employees really motivated to give in their best. And it is definitely not an easy task, but managers can have certain, a to-do list which they can really follow. And if you are the owner of an organization and or if you have if you are a manager and you have employees to take care of and to take care of their motivation levels, then I think this will definitely help you out. Let us see what managers can do. The first one is recognize the work. Sounds very simple, but we often have that tendency of not giving credit to others. Somehow we humans, most of us, we have that negative trait somehow. But if you are a manager and if you have to get the things done and if you have to take care of the employees, you have to come out of that not so good trait, and you have to give that due recognition to the work. And lots of research has also proven that apart from other incentives and other benefits, just this recognition and identification of achievements, that really is a contributing factor towards employee motivation. Okay, the thing is, you have to treat your employees as valued team members, not just as numbers. You have to treat them as valued members of your organization. That sense of recognition, that sense of achievement from the employee's point of view is very much valued, and that really keeps them motivated. Okay, and the second thing you can do is set small and measurable goals. Don't dump things on your employees. Okay, because you are in a higher position or a superior position, just don't dump on them. Okay, they are not dustbins to dump whatever you want to achieve. Give them or set them those easy goals, measurable goals, smart goals, specific goals, time-bound goals. Do not drag things, and do not also give them such goals which the results of which cannot be measured in any form, be it quantitative or qualitative. That is a different issue, but you have to give them some work which is clear cut, specific and measurable, so that from the employee's point of view, they have to understand what they are doing, why they are doing. Okay, so just don't dump work on them, but instead try to give them small and measurable goals. Okay, and the next one is celebrate achievements. Yet another thing, celebrating achievements, not just giving them recognition for their work, but you can also celebrate it. Celebrations need not be on a very large scale. Okay, you need not arrange a party for every small achievement or every small success in a 5-star hotel. No, you don't have to do that, but instead you can really celebrate the moment. Okay, you can really call your other members of the office and you can appreciate this person wholeheartedly. Okay, you can celebrate with small things, maybe a bouquet or a small cool drink, kind of a thing. So what you are giving them as gift or as part of celebration is not important, but you have to celebrate. That means you have to convey a strong message to your employees that you are very happy about their work, about their performance. Okay, so that is the thing. And while you are celebrating, you have to be specific about what you are celebrating and why you are celebrating. Okay, while toasting for them, just don't say they did a good job. What exactly is their contribution, that you have to be announcing clear cut, because that gives a proper sense of appreciation to the employee who performed and to others as well who are watching. Okay, so that is how you need to treat your employees. And encourage short breaks, very essential. Continuously putting up hours and hours at the desk is not going to serve the job. You have to take break, and this is also backed by research. Human mind cannot productively work for hours and hours together. Human mind is not designed for that. It needs rest. It needs some kind of diversion, some break from what we are doing regularly. Okay, and encourage that among your employees. Don't think that breaks are going to kill productivity. Okay, but of course you have to also take care of the thing that it should not go beyond the limit. That is also, as a manager, it's your job to take care of it also. But still, giving the employees those much needed short breaks so that they just shake their heads and get back themselves together. Okay, that is very much needed. And see and share the bigger picture and purpose. Okay, you have to share with the employees the bigger picture, in the sense the whole contributions of them towards your company, towards your customers, or towards the society, or towards whoever you are serving, whatever be your target business. Okay, you have to share them the bigger picture, because that is the real antidote to disengagement. Employees these days, especially this generation, they want small, they always like to have that purpose or meaning. They are not out there to, monotonously or, as robots working. They are not made for that. This is also backed by research, that when you convey the purpose, when you convey the real bigger picture to your employees and about their work and about their contributions and the real change that they can put up or that they can bring up, that really makes them more motivated and more engaged, more connected to the work that they are doing. Okay, so do that. And encourage teamwork. That is very essential. You have to provide that cordial environment in your organization, in the workplace, where teamwork and proper kind of work relationships and right kind of work environment is the order of the day. Okay, you have to be like that. You cannot provide a very tough kind of a work environment where teamwork is the that is the thing, that is the essence of work today. You cannot work individually or independent of others. Okay, because teamwork gives you that synergy, right? The concept where when group efforts or group results will be much higher than the individual results or individual productivity that we put in. When we work together in proper coordination with others, that produces lot more better results for your organization. And as a manager, you have to be responsible in providing that kind of workplace environment. Okay, and practice and promote mindfulness. Very important and much needed and much discussed topic these days. Being mindful, being present at the moment, taking that break from the stress, from the tensions, and being present at the moment and focusing your heart and soul into what you do at the moment. Okay, that is the basic concept or basic understanding of mindfulness. And you have to promote that among your employees, and before promoting that, you have to follow that yourself, right? Not just, you cannot let your thoughts, your mind race away. Okay, you have to pull brakes and you have to be present in the moment and live the moment. which is very, very essential for any of us. Okay, so I think these are some of the techniques. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.